Hello to you, my name is Venus and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and it's Friendmail from the lovely Angie of 4 Beauty and Lifestyle. There she is, so let's have a look and see what we've got inside. Just before I begin, if you're new here, it would be great to have you here. If you could hit that red subscribe button, make it go grey, hit the notification bell and turn it to all so you don't miss any of my uploads. So now that housekeeping's out of the way, let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Just to say, if you can hear any snoring in the background, there's not a thing I can do about it. It's just I've got my dog next to me and I don't want to move him, because would you want to be moved if you were having a snack? A snack? No, not a snack. I wouldn't want to be moved if I was having a snack either. I mean, a nap. He's having a nap and I don't want to move him. Listen. So yeah, let's see what we've got inside. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I've been told to open it as it was packed. So there's a little note inside, which I probably won't read out loud, but yeah, that was a lovely little note that she put, which I shall keep private. Thank you, Angie. Ooh, it's got nice pink packaging inside. Ooh. I love surprises. I love them. Oh, and it's got a little... Oh, it's wrapped so nicely. I love these things. I love them. So in the meantime, whilst I'm unpacking this, how are you all doing? Quite a lot of controversy here in the UK with the government. It's something that I suspected for a very long time, namely 2 years, and people are starting to wake up, which is good, but anyway. Woo! So we have lots of highlighters here. I love highlighters. Anything that's bright, anything that sparkles, anything that makes me look wet, I love. So we have, first of all, Mermaid's Heart. Highlighters for your face and eyes. Whoa, that's really interesting. So it's got like different colours on it. I've never seen anything like that before. That's really nice. Careful to put it back in the box. Oh, I see. So there's different shades in it. Hang on, I'll just do a little swatch on each finger. Nice. This one's called Lightning Triple Baked Highlighter. I Heart Revolution Lightning Triple Baked Highlighter Triple Illuminator. Sorry, there was a noise there that distracted me. I really should have put my earplugs in. Ooh, now this looks bright. I always like to smell things just in case I have a nice smell. Ooh. I'll try and put a bit on my hand so that you can actually see what I'm doing. I do hope that picks up. If not, you can just follow me on Instagram and see the photos over there. Details are on the screen just now. So that's that little one. Next one is Unicorn's Heart, a rainbow highlighter made by unicorns. Oh. Nice. So again, it's lots of different colours. These are really pretty. So next we have L'Oreal Paris Glow Kit holographic palette. and the shades are called Purple Nebula, Rose Delirium, Silver Supernova, Jupiter Green, Cosmic Blue. Here we are. Just wipe the other ones off my fingers. Wow. These are really nice. And the next ones we have are, let's think of a name because I don't really want to mention their name. Jeffree Star, let's just call him that because I don't really like this person. But obviously I do appreciate you sending these, Angie. So we have Skin Frost. I've heard that these highlighters are really good. Wow, that is huge! What does it say on the back of this one? Peach Goddess. Wow, that is really nice. I mean, he might not be that great of a person, which is an understatement, but he does have very good cosmetics. The next one is... what's this one called? Shall I get it open and have a look? That might help. Summer Snow Cone. Am I opening that the right way around? Yes. Wow. Yeah, so that would be nice for the summer when you're slightly more enriched with melanin. Although don't do too much because that leads to very bad skin damage, and we know what that can lead to. The next one is Mint Condition. Whoa! Wow! Wow, that's a really nice colour. I'm going to be glowing for days. Oh wow, what is this? Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look Palette. A combination of complementing shadows and a jewel encrusted palette. Hidden jewels. This looks incredible. That is so nice. Whew. Just taking a minute for an autistic stim. I love things that sparkle. I love it. Let's get it open without breaking my nails. These look like velvet. Oh, those are nice. I mean, try and get the camera to focus. Look at that. That's so nice. Even if I didn't like the colours, just the box, just look at it. Oh wow, that's so lovely. Thank you, Angie. And the next one we have is W7, the Cheeky Trio. Bronzer. Getting tongue-tied there. Bronzer, blusher, highlighter. Oops, no cover. These are nice. Where's my mirror? Oh yeah, I've got something else to show you. I've got my own personalised mirror. Look at this. Nice, right? I think I need a little more, don't you? Choose that middle one there. Where did that spot come from? Sorry. There we go. How does that look compared with that? None. Some. I like that. And the last but by no means least, the Revolution London Patricia Bright Moonlight Glow. Oh, a really nice little box that is. Black, white and gold. So it's a face palette. Try my best not to tear it, but I would like to get it open. I don't think she wants to open. Come on! Ah, there we go. I've broken. Well, I did break in. I've just managed it again. Oh, what a cute little tin! Oh, you know what I'm like with little tins and things? Oh, this is so cute! There's the back. And there's the front. Oh, that is so cute! Oh, I love that little tin. Oh, it's so pleasing on the eye. And so is what's inside. Wow. There's a little mirror at the other side as well. So these are a face palette. Is it bronzer and highlighter, if anyone could tell me? I'm still not quite altogether up to date with what things are called and things. I'm still very new to makeup, so do forgive me. But that looks like a highlighter, that one. Oh, I love this tin. It's just so nice, so nice. And whenever, or if I finish using it, I will try and take out all of these and keep it for something. I don't know what. I just love this tin. Did I say that? I really love this. I really like this tin. Love it. I really like that tin. Yeah, I think I said that enough. And that brings me to the end to that particular unboxing. Thank you so much for all those goodies, Angie. I can't wait to have a play with those. Yeah, so I thought I would say why I've not been really uploading much recently. I've not really been feeling that great physically, and it's nothing to do with what's going on in the world right now. It's more mentally, really. I've been feeling quite anxious and depressed, very up and down. Not been sleeping very well recently, getting an average about 4 or 5 hours a night, which is not enough sleep for me. I like my sleep, but when you can't get it, I just can't function. So that's why I've not been continuing with my Colours of the Planet just yet, because I'm not quite, when I don't feel something, when I feel something that isn't quite completely right with me, I can't put my all into it. So if I was to do a makeup series with the way I'm feeling right now, I wouldn't be putting all of my, efforts into it properly. So that's why I've kind of paused it at the moment. I will do it. Don't worry, I will do it. It's just right now, with the way that I'm feeling, I'm just not up to it, and I've got a lot of work to do. There is a lot of changes happening for me in the next month, and it's a lot to do with my career actually, and it's a lot to do with my recovery. If you're new here, I feel a bit, I don't know why I'm feeling a bit nervous about saying this, because I've said it all before on camera. It's all over YouTube. But I'm coming towards the end of my, well, not the end of my alcohol recovery. Recovery, it's an ongoing recovery. You don't just say, yeah, I'm cured. But I'm getting to the point where I'm making the next huge leap in life. And this next step, it's absolutely massive. And I can't quite believe that I've got to this stage. When I think back to the stage where I was sat on my own, because I hadn't met my husband by that point, and this is getting close to 6 years ago, so it's taken a very long time for me to get to this point. And when I think back to the stage where I couldn't even get off the sofa because I was so ill recovering from alcoholism, or at some points I was so drunk I just couldn't get up at all, because I was in so much pain physically, mentally and things. But now that I've got to that stage where I thought 6 years ago I would never, ever get to, never, because these kind of things do not happen to me, or did not happen to me. They do now, but it's when you get to the big stages and you think, wow, I actually did that. Look how far you've came. And if I can do it at the depths of alcoholism that I was, whatever you're struggling with, if you get help, you can do it, yeah. I just thought I would share that with you all, because a lot of you do appreciate when I talk about things like this. And it's very important to talk about things like this, because, you know, by doing that, it normalises these things. Alcoholism, it's not a class-related thing, you know. Yeah, you have people that are very poor that are alcoholics, like I was, and then you have very rich people who are alcoholics, and anyone in between. Alcoholics, it's not just people that drink really cheap cider, it's people that drink really expensive cognacs and wines, and just because you're drinking more expensive drinks, it doesn't make you any the less an addict. In my opinion, anyway. But yeah, I am smashing my goals, and I couldn't have done it without help, without my husband, without all of you, with your encouragement that you give me. Yeah, those are the perks to having friends on the internet. It does work out, you know. Not all the time, but it does work. So, with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you here, because, yeah, our little community that we've got here, it's lovely. We've got such a supportive bunch here. We're very positive, very uplifting. We prop each other up. We encourage each other. We support each other. And, yeah, check out some of my other content as well, because I've got lots. I've got other makeup videos, other unboxings, vlogs, mental health chats about my autistic adult journey. I talk about Coronation Street in a series that I created. What else did I do? Oh yeah, I talked about long lost treats as well. So if you're someone that thought, what happened to that sweet that I liked when I was a kid? I talk about it. Well, I might talk about it. So yeah, subscribe, watch my content, share this video if you like, and if you could, if you don't really want to comment or anything, if you could just give me a like, that really, really, really helps me out, because it helps with the YouTube algorithm and things, and helps my videos be seen and pushed up instead of just put on the bottom shelf, if you like. So yeah, if you could do all that for me, that would be amazing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending some of your time with me, and I shall see you again very soon with another video. Take care, be kind to yourself, be kind to other people, and I'll see you soon. Bye!